Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and welcome to a new series I'm doing on my channel called Quarantine Clean with Me. I'm stuck inside as we all are and thought it would be super productive and fun to show you guys me going through areas of my house and my room that are cluttered and need some attention and cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and let me know down in the comments below which places you think I should declutter next. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do one of the most needed projects in my life as of late, and what better time to do it than quarantine. I have way too many beauty products, and I've been watching Rachel's videos, Rachel Loves Life videos, and she does so many decluttering things. So I've had this giant bag full of products that I've kind of just been using as a dumping ground since BeautyCon August of last year. And we're just going to put it all out on my bed, and then we're just going to add to it all of the random spots I have just miscellaneous beauty products. We're going to go through it. We're going to go through my face masks, of which there are a lot. We're just going to have at it. We're going to dump it all out. It's going to be great. Welcome to the ride. It's going to be a lot. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Before I pull it all out, this is the current situation of underneath my sink. Tons of product in here, in boxes, in shelves, not shelves, in little like things. And then we have my medicine cabinet, which has a lot of product. Most of these I think can stay, I don't know, we might add to the pile. Let's just get into it. So this is the before. Welcome. Okay, so this is the current situation. I have so much stuff in here. It's really not even funny. Why is there page flags? I don't know. It's just a culmination of all of the more random places. This is huge. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's hair bands, there's just a whole smattering of stuff in here. I don't know what's even going on. So we're going to start going through this. We're going to start organizing. We're going to start putting things in piles. We're going to start getting rid of a lot of expired product because I know me and I know if nothing else, there's a lot of expired product in here that I've had for way too long that I just need to get rid of, especially sheet masks. I have a huge collection of sheet masks that I just don't use enough of. So we need to get rid of it. We need to cull it down. We need to get rid of things. We need to move it on. That's the plan. All right. Be back soon. Somewhat of an update. We have sorted the products into categories. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and go through each category, leaving that for last because that's going to take a minute. That's all of my face masks. So we have body, skincare, makeup, kind of random, hair, face masks, and a little bit more kind of random all over the place. So we're going to start with this. I'm going to go through it, get rid of a lot of things, keep a lot of things, and go from there. So next time we see this, it should be more culled down. I also have a garbage bag for the trash or things that I just know were expired, should just be passed on. We're going from there. All right, check back in a little bit. I don't know why I'm so like this with my hands. Alright friends, quick update as far as the body section goes. So this is the one that was under the left side of my sink in the previous clip. So we've organized this a little bit more into things that I know I reach for on a pretty regular basis. Extra razors, extra cotton rounds, extra deodorants, my tanning stuff, my tanning mitts, extra little bags, cleaning stuff, extra soaps, deodorant, toothbrushes, or toothpaste, things like that that I know I can reach for that'll be within easy reach when I run out of the stuff that I already use. My bed is a mess, but look at how little product we have left. Now to tackle this mountain of sheet masks. Some of these sheet masks I've had for years, and I'm going to try and fit them all in that little red and white box. This is makeup that we're going to deal with another day because we have to tackle that before we can deal with that. So stay tuned for another video organizing my makeup, but for now, let's deal with this. Alright friends, check it out. We have reorganized all of my face masks. I didn't end up paring it down nearly as much as I thought I would, but I did end up organizing it by different styles of masks, kind of what the use was, eyes and lips over here, mud ones here, and just kind of made it a lot more compact, which is kind of what I needed. There's still a little bit of a mess here, but a lot of this is just miscellaneous stuff, but I will show you the most exciting part. So apologies for the fan, but here is the beautiful after of my under sink organization. I finally have a spot to put my hair curlers, my hair dryer. I have beauty products back there that are like bath and lotion and body products. Extra things here, my travel carry-on beauty product holder, skincare, extra hair care, lady parts, you know how it goes. And these are some more like summer things I want to reach for more regularly. And then you guys saw in the back here all of my extra beauty products. So yeah, overall really stoked with how this turned out. I have so much more room, so much more organization for all of this stuff, and I'm super happy with it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, friends. Please let me know down in the comments below an area that you would like to see me clean. Go ahead and subscribe to see more of my face. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.